Building a net worth of $1 million on an annual salary of $38,000 is an ambitious challenge that demands careful planning and unwavering discipline. Achieving this milestone requires more than just earning and saving. It involves making intentional financial decisions every step of the way. Strategic budgeting, consistent saving, and the smart investing become essential tools in this journey. While the path may be demanding, with the right mindset and approach, reaching a seven-figure net worth is possible even on a modest income. Reaching $1 million net worth on a modest income is challenging, but entirely possible with the right approach. The journey typically involves three essential steps: aggressive saving and budgeting, wise investing, and increasing your income through career advancement or side ventures. By consistently saving a significant portion of your earnings, making informed investment choices, and seeking opportunities to boost your income, you can steadily build wealth over time. These strategies, when applied with discipline and patience, can make a substantial financial milestone achievable, regardless of your starting salary. Aggressive saving and disciplined budgeting form the cornerstone of building lasting wealth, especially when starting with a modest income. By carefully tracking every dollar earned and spent, individuals can identify opportunities to reduce expenses and maximize savings. Setting clear financial goals and automating contributions to savings accounts ensures consistency and minimizes the temptation to overspend. Over time, these habits create a strong financial foundation, making it possible to accumulate significant wealth even on a limited salary. Creating a detailed budget begins with tracking every source of income and all your expenses, no matter how small. Start by listing your monthly earnings alongside fixed costs like rent, utilities, and loan payments. Next, monitor variable expenses such as groceries, entertainment, and dining out, using tools like spreadsheets or budgeting apps for accuracy. By reviewing this information regularly, you can spot patterns and identify areas where you might be overspending. This process helps reveal opportunities to cut unnecessary costs and redirect those funds toward your savings goals. Setting clear savings goals is essential for building financial security and staying motivated on your wealth-building journey. By defining specific targets for emergency funds, retirement, and investment accounts, you create a roadmap that guides your saving and spending decisions. These goals help you prioritize where your money goes and make it easier to track your progress over time. With clear objectives in place, you're more likely to remain disciplined and consistent, even when faced with unexpected expenses or challenges. Automating your savings with scheduled transfers offers a reliable way to build financial discipline and consistency. By setting up automatic contributions to your savings or investment accounts, you remove the temptation to spend extra cash and make saving a regular habit. This approach ensures that a portion of your income is set aside before you have a chance to use it elsewhere. Over time, these consistent deposits can add up significantly, helping you reach your financial goals more efficiently and with less effort. Saving a fixed percentage of your income, like 20%, can have a remarkable impact on your long-term financial health. For example, if you earn $38,000 a year and consistently save 20%, that's $7,600 set aside annually. Over several years, these savings accumulate, especially when combined with interest or investment returns. The discipline of regularly saving a portion of your income not only builds a strong financial foundation, but also harnesses the power of compounding, allowing your wealth to grow steadily over time. Wise investing plays a crucial role in building wealth that extends far beyond the limits of traditional savings. While saving money is important for financial security, investing allows your funds to grow through compound returns and market appreciation. By allocating resources to diversified portfolios, such as index funds, stocks, or real estate, you can generate passive income and benefit from long-term growth. Over time, even modest investments can accumulate significantly, helping you reach financial milestones that would be difficult to achieve through saving alone. Investing in the stock market offers a powerful way to build long-term wealth. By choosing diversified portfolios, such as index funds, investors can spread their risk across a wide range of companies and industries. Index funds, in particular, track the performance of major market indices, providing steady growth potential with lower fees. Over time, consistent investments in these vehicles can benefit from compound returns, significantly increasing wealth. This approach allows even modest earners to participate in the growth of the broader economy while managing risk effectively. Real estate investments, particularly rental properties, offer a powerful way to generate passive income. By owning rental units, investors can receive steady monthly payments from tenants, which can supplement their primary income or even become a main source of earnings over time. Additionally, real estate often appreciates in value, providing the potential for long-term capital gains. With careful property selection and management, rental investments can contribute significantly to building wealth and achieving financial goals. Leveraging retirement accounts such as 401s, KAs and IRAs can play a pivotal role in building long-term wealth. These accounts offer valuable tax advantages, allowing your investments to grow either tax-deferred or tax-free, depending on the account type. By consistently contributing to these accounts, even modest amounts can compound significantly over time, thanks to the power of reinvested earnings. This disciplined approach not only helps secure your financial future, but also maximizes the growth potential of your savings. Consistent investing, even with modest contributions, can dramatically accelerate wealth accumulation over time. For example, by investing a portion of your income each month into a diversified portfolio with an average annual return of 7%, your savings benefit from the power of compound growth. Over several years, the returns earned on your investments begin to generate their own returns, creating a snowball effect. This compounding process means that the earlier and more regularly you invest, the greater your potential for long-term wealth. Even small, steady investments can add up to significant sums when given enough time to grow. Increasing your income is a powerful way to accelerate wealth accumulation, especially when starting with a modest salary. Pursuing career advancement, such as seeking promotions or negotiating for higher pay, can significantly boost your earning potential over time. Additionally, starting a side business or taking on freelance work provides extra streams of income that can be directed towards savings and investments. By continuously developing new skills and exploring diverse opportunities, you can create a more robust financial foundation and move closer to your long-term financial goals. Career development plays a vital role in building long-term wealth. Pursuing higher-paying positions can significantly increase your earning potential over time. Actively seeking promotions and taking on new responsibilities demonstrate initiative and can open doors to advancement. Negotiating your salary, whether during a job offer or performance review, ensures you are fairly compensated for your skills and contributions. By consistently focusing on these strategies, you can steadily enhance your income and accelerate your financial growth. Starting a side business or taking on freelance work can be a powerful way to boost your income beyond your primary salary. By generating additional revenue streams, you can accelerate your progress towards savings goals and build a stronger financial foundation. Whether it's leveraging a personal skill, offering a service, or selling products online, these ventures often provide flexibility and the potential for significant earnings growth. Over time, the extra income can be directed toward investments, debt repayment, or building an emergency fund, ultimately speeding up your journey to financial milestones. Enhancing your skills and obtaining new certifications can open doors to higher-paying job opportunities. By staying current with industry trends and expanding your expertise, you increase your value to employers and position yourself for career advancement. Certifications not only demonstrate your commitment to professional growth, but also provide a competitive edge in the job market. Over time, these efforts can lead to significant increases in income, accelerating your journey toward financial goals. Many individuals have reached impressive levels of wealth by consistently applying disciplined saving, strategic investing, and ongoing personal development. For example, some have started with modest salaries but managed to save a significant portion of their income each year, often by adhering to strict budgets and automating their savings. Over time, they invested in diversified portfolios or real estate, allowing their money to grow through compound interest and passive income streams. Additionally, these individuals often pursued career advancement or side ventures, further increasing their earning potential. Their stories demonstrate that with persistence and smart financial choices, building substantial wealth is possible even from humble beginnings. Consistently applying these 3 steps, aggressive saving, wise investing, and increasing income, can empower anyone to build substantial net worth no matter their starting salary. By creating a disciplined budget and automating savings, even modest incomes can accumulate over time. Strategic investments, such as diversified portfolios or real estate, allow your money to grow beyond what traditional savings offer. Pursuing career advancement or side ventures further accelerates wealth accumulation. Together, these habits form a powerful foundation for long-term financial success. Reaching $1 million net worth may seem daunting, especially on a modest salary, but it is entirely possible with the right mindset and approach. Determination and discipline are essential as they help you stay focused on your goals and maintain consistent financial habits. By implementing effective strategies such as aggressive saving, wise investing, and seeking opportunities to increase your income, you can steadily build your wealth over time. Ultimately, success comes from a commitment to long-term planning and a willingness to adapt as your financial journey unfolds.